SPM Essay. Be a wise shopper. You are the secretary of the Consumers Association in your town. You are invited to give a talk to students of a secondary school on Be a Wise Shopper. Good morning, students of Skippi Mentary. It is a great pleasure to be invited to your school to give a talk on Be a Wise Shopper. First of all, you must not be influenced by advertisements in the mass media such as the television, radio, newspapers, and magazines. Advertisements only show a positive side of a product without revealing the shortcomings. This is very misleading and consumers are often tricked into buying products. For example, to promote the Skippi brand of shampoo, an attractive girl with long, shiny hair is shown on television. One is led to believe that by using the Skippi brand, one will have similar beautiful hair. Also, a wise shopper should compile a list of necessary items before going shopping. This will help you buy only what is required. Without a list, you will tend to buy unnecessary items and thus spend a lot of money. Furthermore, it is a good habit to compare prices in shops. In this way, you will know where to get what you want to buy at the cheapest price. This practice is particularly useful for big families who buy in large quantities or for those on a tight budget. Another good habit is to check the quality and expiry dates of goods. Ensure that tins are not dented or damaged and the expiry dates should be well ahead of time to allow you to use the products for some time. Finally, be careful when you buy during sales. Don't be fooled. Know your prices first before you buy anything at a sale. Only then will you know if the sale is genuine or not. Also, many goods during sales are old or rejects. Make sure you check the goods carefully first. By following these steps, I hope you will be wise shoppers and spend your money wisely. Thank you for being such attentive listeners.
Thank you for watching. Improve a little bit every day.